Still running your business with Excel files and dozens of different tools? Stop the chaos. Meet Odoo, the only management software you will ever need. CRM, sales, accounting, manufacturing, website, inventory, point of sale, dashboards, and many more. Everything you need to run your business is finally gathered in one place. And the best part? All Odoo apps work seamlessly together. Sell a product on your website? The invoice is instantly created, and your stock updates automatically. No more double entry, no more copy-pasting. Enjoy a user-friendly interface built for efficiency that is fully tailored to your specific needs and localization. Starting small? Perfect. Begin with one app and add more as you grow. Let Odoo take care of the boring tasks so you can focus on what really matters. And with built-in AI, you now grow your business faster than ever. And because powerful software shouldn't cost a fortune, we made it affordable for everyone. It's time to level up your business. Start now on odoo.com.